Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Keychron C3 Pro. I wanted to buy it. It's about 35 bucks on Amazon. There will be a link in the description below if you guys want to buy it. So we're going to be taking a look at it today. We're going to test it on Deadshot.io like we usually do for mice and keyboards. So let's go ahead and do so. Even if I don't use this, I can have it at home and have it if I want to use it. The spacebar on my Logitech keyboard is actually broken. It's like cracked in the middle, and I have zero clue why. It still works fine, but I gotta see if I can find another keyboard, another like key, like a replacement spacebar. But here's the keyboard. Sounds good so far. Here's a little documentation. Oh, look at that. It comes with spare keys. Oh, that's if I want to change out the red. But I think I'm gonna leave the red. I like the red. This is only red backlit. It's no RGB. I'm pretty sure it's only red. I could be wrong, but that's fine because I only like red anyway. So you got a little documentation thing. It does actually have a Mac thing, so if you want to use it as a Mac on a Mac, you can. It's got the little command key, and we're actually going to be using it on a Mac, so this will be a good test to see how it works. You can change it from Mac to the Windows. Basically a basic little key puller if you want to change out the keys. Here's the keyboard itself. Ooh, it's heavy. It's a lot heavier than I was expecting. It's also a removable Type-C connection. Ho ho ho. I've heard good things about this thing. Is a lot bigger than I was expecting. Ooh, I don't know. This might be my new keyboard, guys. Oh, okay. That's how you use that. I was using that the wrong way. I think you can use this for other stuff as well, but here's the key itself. It's very good quality. I mean, from what I know, I've never owned like a really expensive keyboard other than my Logitech one, but as you see, it is a mechanical switch. It's a little quieter than I was hoping, but that's fine. I like quiet keyboards, and it's... Ooh, look at that bend. It doesn't have much. Yeah, no, I cannot twist this thing at all. That is awesome. I like the sound of it, honestly. We'll do a sound test too. I'll bring the camera closer and you can do a little sound test. I'll just do some typing on it. It doesn't sound bad at all. I really like the sound of it. So basically to plug this thing in, it's already getting dirty, but it doesn't help this table's not necessarily clean. So basically all you have to do is take the cable and give it a little more slack than that. And then we're just going to slide this in. Just like that, and then boom, you can route it left to right, which is nice. And boom, it's plugged in, and it's detachable, so if you want to take it with you, you can unplug the cable. You don't have to worry about getting broken or frayed. Yeah, let's give this thing a test. All right, so I got her plugged in to my Mac. It wants me to do a keyboard thing, so let's do, I think. Yep, it just switched over to Mac. Look at that. That actually works. The Windows key doesn't do anything because now it's a Mac keyboard. That's freaking sweet. But as you can see, it does it. It brings up Spotlight. So I just typed all that without messing up. That tells you how much I like this keyboard. I actually really like this keyboard, guys. This is a $35 keyboard, keep in mind, and it feels extremely high quality for a $35 keyboard. I've been using Logitech keyboards for God knows how long. I had a Game DS keyboard. I did a video on that forever ago, and I do want to do another video on their keyboards because they have some really nice keyboards. But I'm going to say keyboards a lot in this video. If one of you want to do like a counter, put it in the comments below how many times I say keyboards because I bet I'm going to say that a lot. But let me go turn the lights off so you guys can see what it looks like without the light. Oh my, that looks freaking amazing. I want to try to give you guys a view so you can see me using the keyboard along with watching the screen. I'll probably zoom in a little bit at some point, but where is it over here? Oh, it does little effects. What the heck? I did not know it did that. That's freaking cool. Let's turn this down again. This is a $35 keyboard, guys, and it's got a bunch of different effects. That is freaking slick. New keyboard, guys. I think I have myself a new keyboard. I didn't buy this because I was scared of going to a smaller one because I use my numpad keyboard. That is freaking slick. So you can turn it directly off. Oh, wait. Oh, it's got a haptic thing. Oh, it's got this. What the heck? This has got like stuff from like you'd have like on a regular high-end keyboard from Corsair, Logitech, Razer, everything. That's freaking cool. I really wish you could see it better, but you can't because it's freaking... I mean, To be fair, red is kind of a hard color for a keyboard to grab. Also, it's got red strips on the side of it, so it'll do red onto the side of the thing, or not the thing, but the like your desk. If you have it on your desk or your mouse pad, it'll bounce off the mouse pad. That's freaking cool. This is a really nice keyboard. Like, I'm quite surprised on this thing. And it's nice it goes to Mac and Windows, so you could use it on anything, pretty much. Real quick, guys, while I was getting ready to box it to take it home, I actually noticed something a little peculiar. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but when you press down, like, really hard, it presses the entire chassis for the keys. It's not a huge deal, just wanted to let you know, and I did actually notice that the spacebar has a little bit of, it's actually not as bad as I was expecting, but it's got a little bit of fray there, which is not a huge deal. I just want to let you guys know. And it's also got this, like, when you push in quite hard, it does, you can see, like, right here, it moves. Not a huge deal. And I actually forgot to do a typing test, so I'll do a quick one for y'all. Not really a typing test, but a sound test. Oh, that one's a little louder. All right, like I said, little setup I got going here. I actually have the Keychron keyboard plugged into another keyboard, my other Logitech keyboard. This is a Polygon, by the way. If you guys want to buy it, I'll put a link in the description to Steam. That way you guys can, like, kind of check it out. It's a fun little game, even though it's not like COD by any means. I don't think you can slide. I don't think you can do anything. It's just you run around and shoot. I want to try to get a sniper kill, but I don't see anybody. But yeah, no, this keyboard feels great. It feels very responsive in terms of, like, trying to move around with it and stuff. I don't like this mouse, though, because the button just does not feel right. I'm not going to be able to hit a shot on this. I'm used to my high refresh rate monitor. Oh, I hit him. Ooh. Goodbye. Oh, he got me from very far away with it. That M14, that MK14 is very nice. It's not super loud. It's actually quite comfortable, and I'm actually sitting in a weird position, so that's making my hand cramp a little bit, but... Oh, you're an enemy. It's like I can... Alright guys, that is the Keychron, I already forgot the name, the C3 Pro, a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. If you guys want to buy it, there will be a link in the description below. I really think you guys should buy this keyboard. It's a really good $35 deal. You could buy a Logitech keyboard for $35, but it's not going to be nearly as nice as this, especially build quality wise. It feels great, it sounds great. It does have a little bit of play in it, but I mean, you know, it's a $35 keyboard. You're going to get what you pay for. It's also got a Mac and Windows mode, so if you're a Mac user and you want something backlit, the red looks really good. It's got cool red, like, side things, like little emitters, I guess you could call it, and it'll pretty much work for any use case. I mean, you've got the Windows side of things. You could use it for gaming. You got the Mac side of things. You can use it to type up novels or whatever Mac users do. I don't really know what Mac users do. You can't game on it, so, but, sorry, Mac users. But anyway, all right, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new and you have not done so already. If you guys want to see more keyboard reviews, let me know in the comments below. I have a couple more I'd like to look at. I actually really like doing the keyboard reviews because I get to, you know, I get to have hands-on some cheaper keyboards. And honestly, some of the cheaper keyboards are really good. In this case, this one is. And I actually might rock this daily. I have not decided yet. I'm still thinking about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out.